You've probably seen these AI factory videos on YouTube getting millions of views. Take a look at this channel. They upload this type of content and consistently get massive views. As you can see, they're making a significant amount of money every single month. Now look at this channel, and this one as well. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create these AI factory process videos completely for free. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell because I'll be sharing new trending AI video ideas as soon as they appear. I've created a powerful master prompt for this tutorial. Go to the description and copy the entire prompt. First, open ChatGPT and paste the master prompt into ChatGPT. It will generate multiple factory video ideas for you. You can choose any product you want. For this example, I'm going with a potato chips factory. Once selected, ChatGPT will automatically generate the complete factory workflow along with scene-by-scene prompts. Now all of our prompts are ready. Copy the first video prompt for scene 1 and open Google Flow. On the left side, you'll find the Scenes option. Click on it. This feature helps us create consistent images for every stage of the production process. We're going to generate all the images first before creating the videos. Paste the first scene prompt and generate the image. Once the first image is ready, repeat the exact same process for the remaining scenes. Generate every image one by one using their corresponding prompts. After a few minutes, you'll have all of your factory scenes ready. As you can see, the images maintain a very consistent look throughout the entire production process. The factory design, machinery, lighting, and overall style remain much more stable from scene to scene. Now it's time to turn these images into videos. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt for scene 1. Return to Google Flow AI. Now drag the first generated image into the prompt area. Paste the video prompt and switch to video mode. Since we're creating a YouTube video, I'll set the aspect ratio to 16:9. I'll also set the video duration to 4 seconds to help maintain consistency across all scenes. Everything is ready. Now generate the first clip. Once the clip is finished, you can see that the result looks amazing. I'll quickly generate the second clip using the same process. Take a look at the result. Now repeat the exact same process for all the remaining scenes. Use each scene's image with its matching video prompt. As you can see, all of our scene clips are now ready. Download each clip one by one. Next, import all the video clips into your preferred video editor. I'll be using Clipchamp because it's completely free. Arrange all the clips on the timeline in the correct order. Once that's done, the process is complete. Now export the final video. Let's play it and see the result. The final video looks fantastic. Using this same method, you can create many different types of factory videos and potentially build a profitable channel around them. And let me know in the comments what type of factory video you want to create next. I might even make a dedicated tutorial on it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.